Now this question's a little different. This time they've given us a translation and they want us to describe what happened. So figure out what translation was done, how far was it moved, and in which direction, and then we will list all of our parallel line segments. So you have to make sure you start with the pre-image, okay? So the pre-image is the one without the little apostrophe, so it's actually this one. Sometimes we just assume it's the one on the left, okay? So this is the pre-image. That means that the shape was translated to the left, and now I just need to see how far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 units left. So describe the translation. We're going to go ahead and write this out or type this out. So triangle ABC was translated 7 units left. Okay? Do not get fooled and say it was translated right. I promise you, you will see another question like that. Now, all of my parallel line segments, let's change to blue. And again, same letters makes things easy. So AB and A prime, B prime. Don't forget the line segment symbol. BC, parallel to B prime, C prime, and AC, parallel to A prime, C prime. And that's it. Again, properties that are preserved: size, shape, side lengths, area, perimeter. The location has changed, but look at the orientation. Did the orientation change? Is the way these two triangles facing, has it changed? No. So hopefully now you realize whenever you're translating a shape, the orientation stays the same. Orientation is preserved when translating. So just the location is changing. Nothing else is changing.